How to send Google Meet link in WhatsApp. So if you want to send your Google Meet link in WhatsApp, then first open up your Google Meet application. Once you've opened, now you need to log into your account. And after logging in, you can go for new, which is on the bottom right. And you need to tap on create a new meeting. And then tap on got it. And here you will have your meeting code, right? So you need to simply tap on share, which is on the bottom left, and here you will have WhatsApp option. So you need to simply tap on WhatsApp, and here you need to choose a person that you would like to send that, and then tap on send. And now if the other person taps on that link, then they will be taken to the Google Meet or the meeting that you have created. So that's it. That's how you send the Google Meet link in WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.